Whenever I have a bad day and I think that I'm a bad investor, man, I just go to Kathy Wood's ARC Portfolio Performance. Dude, I feel so much at ease. No wonder she bought DraftKings. That woman knows how to gamble. Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Dan, and as per your request, I'm gonna be reviewing my strategy and a couple of more trades that I did these days, and I will be showing you exactly step-by-step process and way of thinking, why I took the trade, how I approached it, and what was the outcome. I hope you enjoy these kind of videos. I hope you actually learned something in the actual example of the trades, and if you do, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel because there's more to come. Alright, now without further ado, let's head to the PC and I'll show you exactly which trades I took and how they ended up. Okay, now we see over here there is a NSDQ100 which I trade, a chart that I was showing you the last time, right? There was a key market level, if you remember in the previous video, which I made a trade off of this key market level right over here when it bounced back, and it was a beautiful trade. I took $100, I went out, and you see it went all the way down to the level again just to go and pump hard, which I said is going to happen because it was Monday. The market pumped really hard. What I did over here after this, I waited and the opportunity presented itself. Let me just put 5-minute chart. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This for you guys, for beginners, you will not be able to notice this, but once you get a hang of it and once you practice more, you will see patterns everywhere. So what I saw on 5-minute chart, I saw a beautiful squeezing flag on this level over here. So this was a beautiful squeezing into the level, okay, right over here, broke out with a force, okay, and it broke out, and this is what I traded a breakout right over here from this ascending triangle, squeezing flag, whatever you want to call it. My entry in this trade was somewhere over here, okay, and the stop loss was actually quite wide. It was around 30 points if I remember correctly, and my take profit was somewhere around the 90 points, somewhere over here in this area, okay, which actually got hit, which got fulfilled, and that was the first beautiful trade that I managed to do yesterday. Now the second trade that I took yesterday, after the big bump, after we finished off really strong in the US session, we continued kind of consolidating over here in the Chinese pre-market, and then the moment we touched over here the key market level, I went short, and this was amazing. This was literally a beautiful short position that I caught somewhere over here, and even my stop loss was super tight, like somewhere over here. The only problem was I got out too early, guys. I got out too early. I was like, man, I'm not gonna wait until the US session. So basically I've cut it out, let's say in half of the move, somewhere over here. So I kind of did maybe like 70 points or so, but I could have made so much more, right? But you'll always leave points on the table, so don't dwell on it, just move on and head on to the next trade. By the way, guys, just to add, I did not take this trade short over here only because of the key market level. No, there's something else to it, and once you become experienced, you will see these kind of things and you'll be really happy that you can notice them, because like in this case scenario, it can give you a really good edge and confirmation of what do you want to trade. Not only there's a key market level over here, but do you see anything else? If you did so, congratulations, you're already a professional trader. There was a hidden bearish divergence, okay? This is a hidden bearish divergence on both indicators, all right? The hidden bearish divergence means continuation of the trend, which we're in a downtrend, right? So continuation of a downtrend. Once again, please go back and watch the divergence video. You need to learn divergence. Divergence is a very powerful tool that's going to help you identify trend reversals or trend continuation, like in this case scenario. So I saw a hidden bearish divergence, boom, right away I was like, okay, there's a strong key market level plus hidden bearish divergence, meaning continuation of a bearish trend. Click, you take the trade, bam, I made, like as I told you, maybe 80 points or so. Beautiful trade. It was a really nice going day. Now the last trade of the day that I took, which was upon the US market open. Now this one is a bit of a sketchy one, so I'm gonna turn on all the EMAs just to show you what happened. So this is an hourly chart, right? But I'm gonna go in 5 minutes just to show you. As I've said, I took my profits out somewhere over here in this area, but then what happened? We opened the US session, all right? And what did I say? I don't usually take signals from 5 minutes time frame, but sometimes like now where we're in the middle of the channel, I was like, okay, let me give it a try because there is some room for it to run. So what happened? We opened a US market right over here. What did I spot? Again, beautiful divergence, all right? But in this case, it was a bullish divergence, all right, on the 5-minute chart. So basically, it was a bullish divergence that I spotted on both indicators together there with the price action. So I was like, okay, let me wait for it to consolidate, which it did in this area. You see this area right over here? The price consolidated right over here, okay? So what did I do? I took my entry literally somewhere over here, maybe even lower. It was, I think it was somewhere over here. And I was like, okay, my stop loss is going to be very tight. So it was something, it looked something like this, all right? Just set it up. It looks literally something like this, okay? And I took my profits. I think it was 930. Yeah, it was 930. Look at this trade, guys. Divergence again. Divergence works. I kind of knew that after a big sell-off during the German session, we might have a small pump in the US session, because sometimes that's how it happens. When the German or European market sells off, UK market, then the US tends to buy the dip. Not always, of course, depending on the factors. However, tomorrow is the FOMC, where the Fed will make the interest rate decision. But by the time that video is out, that's gonna be super old news. We're gonna be already priced in for the next thing, because I'm pre-recording this video. So what happened here? I bought it somewhere over here, took a small stop loss based on the bullish divergence. Bam, it was a beautiful. I almost caught the top. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna be too greedy, because we were approaching right over here these highs. If we didn't break this area over here, I would have closed it anyways manually, but luckily we did. We had a small pump to the upside. We reached these previous highs, and then we just boom, look at what happened. By the way, guys, this is a head and shoulders pattern. Oops. Yeah, I know. Just don't be naughty, all right? Now we had a huge sell-off, which basically we're heading down to this key market level again, which I might trade again. Most probably I will trade again if it reaches over here, and if we bounce back, I'm gonna trade it again. Why not? So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. I just wanted to share with you my thoughts behind entering every single trade, how I look at it on the graph, and what do I take into consideration before entering a trade. So again, for me, divergence is the number one rule, okay? Followed with the key market levels together with the EMAs. If we're in the middle of the channel, I try to scalp sometimes from the EMAs. Simple as that. You should be using the same logic and approach it in the same way. Once you have multiple confirmations on multiple things, on multiple indicators, it will give you an edge. It will give you this confidence that you can enter trade comfortably. However, always with a calculated risk, all right? I hope you liked the video, and once more, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me immensely. Spread the word of love and divergence, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and have a great day.